Hey girls and guys, just wanted to show you, let me just show you where I am really quick. So this is obviously a selfie video blog, but I just wanted to show you guys one of the places. This is literally, so what I'm doing here with Smidge, we are working from here. We're at the Lorelei in Almirada in the Florida Keys, and this is literally one of the places, one of the bars that I played for years and years and years, and how I started my career and worked my way up to performing for thousands of people all over the world and opening for Charlie Daniels and Chris Young and Dustin Lynch and Big and Rich and Willie Nelson and Brett Michaels and all that stuff. And now I get to come down, you know, if I want to come and play any of these bars or tiki bars, I can just set it up real quick because I use the whole steps in the book and in the program that I developed, and this is literally one of the places that I developed all those tips and tricks and insights and stuff. So I wanted to show you all a real life example. So the coolest thing is now if I want to go somewhere and just to travel, I can pick up gigs and get paid to be on vacation and work while I'm doing it. So it's quite an amazing lifestyle. So I just figured I'd show y'all a little behind the scenes of exactly what I do and how it's worked out, and some of the pretty amazing benefits that you can get from doing this stuff and just for playing your music, you know. Do me a favor, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button and make a comment. Let me know if you'd like to do the same thing.